Hi, this is Liz, and today I'm making a simple pasta dish that you put the pasta in the frying pan, and you fill it up. You cover it with water, and you let it just boil away until you get a very little bit of water left, and the pasta is done. And you salt the water. This is salted water.
It's good. Yeah.
So now to make this a meal, I'm going to add the ricotta that I had from this week when I was making the ricotta sandwiches. So that's going to go in here. Actually, let me lower it. Okay, I lowered it a little bit. Actually, I might shut it off because I don't. So I'm going to just mix in the ricotta. And I also have a little bit of mozzarella left, so I'm just going to put a little mozzarella in there too. So this is going to be like a white pasta, a cheese pasta. A quickie, another quickie. So you would just mix up the pasta, the ricotta, the mozzarella is melting. And finally, last but not least, I have some Parmesan cheese. So you're just gonna be generous with that, because this is, I guess it's a three cheese pasta. And what I like also to put is the black pepper, because I don't know, it's just nice. It tastes good. So I'm going to plate it up. My mom's sitting over here. I don't know if you could see her. She's waiting patiently. And that's your dish. You dish it up. And it's three cheese pasta with black pepper that you cook in a frying pan on the stove. You don't drain. The water, the actual pasta water, actually becomes part of the sauce. And it's a real easy dish, and it's a real, everybody likes it. I mean, we love it. It's like a open ravioli or something. So I hope you try it, and I hope you're staying well, and that you be well. And until next time, so long. All right, Matt, there you go.